who's not being very nice to you and they're doing stuff to you against your will.
Teasing, like teasing you and saying bad things about you, stuff that's not true, right? That's a great example, thank you. I get another example. What's your name? Hey, Kevin, how you doing? What's bullying, Kevin?
To me, it's like not showing respect to other people.
That's a great example. Not showing respect to other people. So that's like what, taking someone's orange in the lunchroom, taking somebody's sandwich and they don't want you to take it, that's not respecting. What's your name? Elizabeth. What do you think, Bullying? People being mean to you just for the fun of it. Yes, that's a great example of bullying. What's your name? I'm Natalia. What do you think bullying is?
Bullying is like people pushing you around, calling you names, and not respecting you.
Great example. Pushing, calling you names. What's the last one you say? Not respecting you. Okay, that's the second time we got to respect. You got to teach respect in this girl. I like that. What's your name? Hi, Shelby. What do you think bullying is?
It's like when someone's hurting you emotionally or physically for no reason. Just against your people.
Give me an example of someone emotionally messing with you.
Like when they just tease you, they back it up.
Teasing. That's a great example. Thank you. What's your name?